Hi there, students. In broad strokes, or in broad brush strokes. Okay, this means to explain something generally, but without going into the details. So could you just give me the broad strokes of your plan? Could you give me the broad brush strokes of your plan? The author gave me the broad strokes of the plot of his novel. Yeah, just explain it to me in broad strokes. Yeah, explain it generally. Just paint it for me in broad strokes. Don't go into the small details. Yeah, I don't need every detail. Just give me the broad brush strokes. Explain your idea in broad strokes, and we can go into the detail later. Yeah. Okay, so in broad strokes, in broad brush strokes, to paint something in broad strokes, yeah, to give the general idea, yeah. So in broad strokes, this new policy is going to reduce crime by giving the police more powers. This phrase is very often used for a story or some sort of artistic work where it's just an explanation of the short strokes of it, of the little bits, with no intricacy, no adornment, nothing, just yeah. So you could also say he explained the situation in broad strokes. Yeah. This film shows the broad strokes of life in the ghetto, for example. It shows the broad strokes of the problems of being an intern in a hospital. Okay, so the broad strokes, a brush stroke. So a stroke is a movement. So when an artist is painting a picture, each is a brush stroke, each movement with the brush. This is a brush stroke, and you can get different techniques. So just paint it in broad strokes. Just give me the general idea and don't go into the little bits. Yeah. The broad strokes, just a quick explanation. Just give me the broad brush strokes of this. Yeah. Okay, so this is it's a good phrase to use. Formality. Give me the broad strokes. I think I would probably say 4.5 informality. Definitely use it in an informal or semi-formal conversation. I think for a semi-formal writing, I think you could probably just about use it, but don't use it in something very formal. Okay, so brush strokes. Yeah, give me the broad strokes. Broad is another word for wide. Yeah, so I guess he painted the wall with broad strokes. He's painting it white. He's decorating the wall. And then as to origin, well, I explained this idea of the wide strokes. We've got this word broad, which comes from Proto-Germanic braidas, meaning broad itself, and a stroke comes from the Proto-Indo-European word strake, a stroke, or to strike, to hit. So broad strokes. So give me the broad strokes of the story. Don't go into detail about it. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. The broad strokes, to paint the broad strokes, broad brush strokes.